Introducing Elios4you, the latest product launched by 4you to enable users to manage single-phase PV installations. With the unique energy measuring device, it is possible to monitor energy generated by the PV system, energy purchased from and sold to the grid, household consumption. Elios4you is wireless, quick to install, easy to use, thanks to the user-friendly graphical interface, providing a complete and intuitive view of energy performance. Elios4you is installed in the vicinity of the main consumer unit and measures energy data using two current transformers, also known as CTs. These are clamped onto the live phase cables from the generation and mains electricity meters respectively. Installation can be carried out in the following two scenarios. The first example is based on a consumer unit that has enough room to mount Elios4you inside. Open the panel enclosure and identify the main isolating switch that is connected to the live phases from the generation and mains electricity meters. Ensure the live phase from the mains electricity meter is not feeding any other circuits prior to connecting to the main isolating switch. Arrange for mains power to supply Elios4you, considering the addition of a fused switch for safety and to protect the device. Remove the label with the username and password to access the web portal and store it in a safe location. Mount Elios4you. Now let's connect the CTs. Clamp the CT labeled Generation over the live phase cable that comes from the generation meter. Paying attention to the CT orientation, the green spot must point towards the circuit breaker. Repeat the procedure to connect the live phase cable from the mains electricity meter. Elios4you can manage up to two different external alarms, via clean contact to the inverter, for example, or through an auxiliary contact from the solar PV breaker switch. In the second scenario, the consumer unit cannot accommodate any further modules, so it is necessary to install a secondary electric panel to house Elios4you. Choose a convenient location to site the secondary electric panel and arrange the conduits for CTs and power supply. Fix the electric panel and identify the live phases from the generation and mains meters. Clamp the CT labeled Generation over the live phase cable running from the generation meter, paying close attention to the orientation. Repeat the procedure with the mains CT. Complete the wiring to supply mains power to Elios4you and ensure the CT's terminal is secured. Mount the device and screw the antenna. Once properly installed, Elios4you is pre-configured to communicate directly with the tablet provided. As an alternative, it is possible to connect to another smartphone or tablet. Simply download the Elios4you app and follow the wizard configuration for pairing to the Elios4you measuring device. Users will then be able to display real-time data, including energy generated and energy exchanged with the grid, in addition to user-friendly graphics and statistics to analyze household consumption. This valuable feature allows users to manage and increase the use of self-generated energy. It is possible to configure the Elios4you device to take advantage of the existing broadband router. When configured, the Elios4you device can then send data to the 4Cloud portal, allowing the user or installer to remotely access real-time energy data via the online dashboard. This configuration also enables remote monitoring of the entire system using the Elios4you app on a smartphone or tablet, anytime and anywhere.